Hi, this is Michael Natow from High Tech Trader. Today we're looking at a vacuum cleaner manufactured by Minuteman. This particular vacuum cleaner is special because it is explosion proof. It's used for hazardous locations. This is the model C88015-0. It's 115 volts, 15 amps. Explosion proof switch and also a plug. I'm going to turn it on now. Good suction. What we're going to do next is open it up and so we can see the inside a little bit. Okay, that's your first chamber. Here's the second chamber where the HEPA filter sits. We always suggest replacing the bag. You should know the efficiency of the bag starting off with these kind of units, so please call the manufacturer for another HEPA filter. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 609-518-9100. Thanks again from High Tech Trader.